Hello and welcome to the May monthly update for Utilico Emerging Markets Trust plc. I'm Jacqueline Brewers, Joint Portfolio Manager. May's NAV total return was up by 3.8%, once again outperforming the MSCI Emerging Markets Total Return Index, which is up by 3.4% in sterling terms. Markets in May were much more positive as trade tensions between the US and China eased as they agreed to a 90-day pause on escalated tariffs. The US also reported better than expected macro data, although concerns remain around the stability of US debt levels. The US stock market, though, managed to look through this, with the S&P 500 index up by 6.2% for the month. Within emerging markets, the Chinese market underperformed the MSCI EM index, up by 2.1% for May, despite interest rate cuts and the reduction in US tariffs as deflationary pressures continued. The Hong Kong Hang Seng index, however, was up by 5.3%, benefiting from new stock listings. Elsewhere in Asia, the Vietnamese Ho Chi Minh index was up by 8.7%, taking a sigh of relief from tariff pressures, while Indonesia was up 6% as the central bank also cut interest rates and consumer sentiment improved. Modest growth was seen in India's Sensec, up 1.5% following 2 months of strong returns, whilst the Philippines index was essentially flat and the Thai Set index was down by 4%. In LatinAM, Argentina again saw strong performance with the Marvel index up 8.5%, benefiting from President Milei's party achieving strong support in regional elections and inflation continuing on a downward trajectory. The Mexican index was up 2.8%, while the Brazilian Bovespa index was more subdued, up by 1.5% in May. Within Eastern Europe, performance was mixed. The Greek index was up 7.8% due to improved market sentiments, while the Polish index was up only 1.6%, as negatively impacted by the political uncertainty ahead of the presidential elections. Currency-wise, the US dollar continued to weaken across the board. Within UEM's portfolio, 2 Mexican companies entered the top 30, Azures, the Mexican-listed airport operator, and Traction, the mobility and logistics solution company, replacing TAV and Arumo. Overall, within the top 30, performance was strong. During the month, Traction share price was up 20.5% due to positive quarterly results, as well as benefiting from the improved tariff position. 2 of the top 30 container port operators also witnessed strong share price performance. International Container Terminal, the Philippines-listed port operator, up 20.4%, and Piraeus Port, the Greek-listed port operator, up 13.4%. Both port operators reporting better than expected 1Q25 results. Holding Bursatil's stock price was up by 19.7%, also helped by strong results and an improvement in dividend policy, while Serena was up 18%, benefiting from a tender offer for the company finally being tabled. UEM's share price increased by 10.6%, ending the month at 241 pence, with a discount to NAV narrowing to 11%. UEM continued to buy back shares. A fourth quarterly interim dividend of 2.325 pence per ordinary share in respect of the year ending 31st of March 2025 was also declared, with total dividends for the year amounting 9.125 pence per share. This reflects the 10th year of consecutive annual dividend increases, with UEM now being recognised for this achievement by the UK's Association of Investment Companies as one of the next generation of dividend heroes, the only global emerging market fund with this accolade. For more details, please do read UEM's May fact sheet, which is available on our website at uemtrust.co.uk. Thank you.